Preparing figures for payroll can be stressful and time-consuming. My goal was to reduce the time it took to prepare payroll, highlight compliance issues relating to national minimum wage, and reduce the stress of collating all the information needed. Using a simple step-through process, you will see all required data has been pulled into one place, allowing you to easily review, drill down where required, and process efficiently. From scheduled hours, absences and holidays through to the pay structures you use, be that performance pay, base pay plus commission, or whichever is higher, all data will feed into the report, as will retail commission payments, team bonus, a special incentive option within Loop HR award bonus will feed through to the payroll. Loop HR will also calculate holiday commissions and report payments for eligible team members. The final stage is a compliance check, showing all hourly rates paid for the period. In the event a team member is highlighted in red, this flags a possible underpayment. Starter and leaver pro rata pay options and top-up calculations are available to bring payments in line with UK national minimum wage pay rates. Once completed, your payroll figures are ready to share with your payroll provider. Try Loop HR Payroll for yourself or contact us for a free demo. Thank you for watching.